Hi, y'all. I am almost at the Frank and Musso Grill, and I just wanted y'all to see the last part of me getting there. Now, I got off the freeway an exit or two back and drove around a little bit, and I don't know, it was really kind of an older, depressed neighborhood, and it was mixed zoning, a couple of little stores that looked like they'd been there forever, and there was even some new construction going on. Developers will build anyway or anywhere that they can. It's just kind of crazy. And pretty much it's all about money. Now, this turn right here is under an overpass, and it's really kind of weird. You're going to hear me.
In a half mile, turn right.
Okay. You're going to hear my GPS because she is guiding and directing me. So I just wanted y'all to kind of see the area where this grill is and just get an idea. Now, I have seen so many homeless people. I've seen so many old, in bad shape, Class A's, Class C's. I mean, sad looking, y'all. Really sad looking. And evidently, I wish you could see this one over here. I mean, that's a really old one, y'all. But I don't know, they must not be really strict right in through here in Hollywood. I don't know, you would think that they would be. But especially I saw
turn right
on the overpasses. We're getting ready to turn right onto Hollywood Boulevard. And over here on the left, I can't believe it, there's a Popeyes Louisiana Kitchen, which is, of course, a chicken place. And their stuff is okay. Not as good as KFC, I don't think. So here we go. I'm not used to being in a big city like this. You know, Oceanside, San
in a quarter mile. Your destination will be on the right.
Escondido. They're not big cities. Oh, getting some loving on the bus bench. I don't know what that is right there, y'all. Can you see that? I don't know if you can or not. There are a few times when I wish that I could call myself a videographer, but y'all know that I'm not. It would be fun to go somewhere with somebody that was and have them shoot the videos. Be awesome. But I don't know anybody that can do that. Now, y'all, this is busy, busy, busy. And I'm trying to go as slow as I can without being a traffic hazard. There's nobody behind me, so I don't have to worry about, you know, anybody running up on my tail. But wow, it is really, I mean, different, y'all. All kinds of stuff.
Your destination is on the right.
Whoa, there it is right there. I don't know if y'all can see that or not. You see it? Musso and Frank Grill. Now, they did say when I looked them up that parking is difficult. And man, you can see that. This is only 2-hour parking, and I'm an hour early. So if I parked here, then I would only have an hour to be parked there. I'm going to take a right here on Las Palomas. This is really kind of a sketchy little neighborhood here. Now here's a parking meter, and I'm going to pull up here, $2 an hour. And y'all know what? I don't have anything except a $5 bill and cash. So somebody behind me has a parking ticket. The car back there, they have a parking ticket. Okay, y'all. So this is it. I showed you. No, down there.
No parking here, ma'am.
Oh, okay. The meter doesn't work.
It works, but you can't park here until after 2 p.m.
Oh, okay.
If you're on the driveway, you'll be okay.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome.
Okay, so this parking enforcer in in a little uniform told me I couldn't park there until after 2. Y'all can see how confusing. They're building something right there. Now, these apartments over on the left look new and they look really expensive. Now, I couldn't tell exactly what street he said that I could go on. I don't know if he said Yucca Wucka. I don't know. I'm just going to come up here and go a little bit farther. But anyway, y'all, I'm going to look for some parking. Talk to y'all later. Bye.